In this video, we'll be saying how to install Eclipse in Windows operating system. So open the Google and just type Eclipse download for Windows. You can see it is redirecting to Eclipse org. So click on it and simply you can download here. You can see the download button. So it is used for 32-bit as well as 16-bit. So just click on this and click on download. So no need to donate anything, just say no thanks. So you can see here Eclipse has been downloaded. Now just double click on this installer and you can see the Eclipse is installing here. So please follow the instructions that are displayed on here. So here you can go with Eclipse ID for Java developer or so please go to the second one because you can also develop enterprise applications in future. So install or select the second option. And you can see the location is in C programs files in Java JDK. So it is taking this Java. That's what it is linking to this Java and it is installed in student. So just click on install and please accept all the things. Accept now. So now it is going to be installing. So you have downloaded. Now it is installed. You can see this is the JDK that JDK 17 environment is linked for your Eclipse. So now you can see the Eclipse have been installed. Now click on the launch and Eclipse ID will be open. And now we are ready to write the code in this. So just you can see this is a location, launch a location. Just click on launch. So this is a Eclipse ID which has been installed. Now you're ready to execute Java programs on this. Okay, thank you.